Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by inspecting the pan and removing any loose rust or factory coating. Use steel wool and hot water so contaminants won't trap under seasoning. Once clean, dry the iron completely so moisture can't cause flash rust. Next, you apply a thin, even coat of high smoke oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons wiped on with a lint-free cloth, covering interior and exterior. This creates the polymer layer that bonds under heat and becomes the non-stick surface. Once you've oiled the pan, preheat your oven to 450 degrees 500 degrees so the oil can polymerize rather than just evaporate. You place the pan upside down on the top rack with foil below to catch drips. This prevents uneven buildup. Bake for 1 hour, then let the pan cool completely in the oven so the layer sets evenly. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times. More layers mean better nonstick performance and increased corrosion resistance over time. When you first cook, heat the pan gradually and add oil only when it's hot. This reduces food sticking and helps seasoning strengthen with use. Make sure to avoid long cooking of acidic foods for the first few uses since they can break down thin seasoning. After each use, clean with hot water and a stiff brush, no dishwasher, dry immediately, and rub a light coat of oil. If the surface becomes sticky or uneven, strip back with an abrasive scrub and reseason using the high-heat baking method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.